Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is open up to the universe. It is time. It's time to check in. You're at the final stage where you're about to go into another adventure around the world, but there is a message of protection, evolution, that the Lord, universe, source, strength, Jesus Christ energy is trying to give you. So it's time to tap into and create a prayer life, a meditation life, and going out into the elements, your favorite place, your favorite water source. You're just going out into the world and filling into a field near some trees, tree hugging, wherever your favorite place where you connect with Lord God, Spirit, universe, source, strength, Jesus Christ. That's where you go. And not only talk. You only have one mouth, but we have two ears. So it's time to listen. Ask the right questions. Ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding on which the Lord God, Spirit, universe, source, strength, Jesus Christ has you and wishes for you to know at the moment. I'm discovering my worth and my abilities and my gifts, which are priceless. Get ready to be skyrocketed to the next level. I have confidence in my value and in my gifts. I reclaim my inner power. I accept that I love myself completely. You reclaim your inner power because you have the confidence. A confident Aquarius is a powerful Aquarius, and they exercise that. It just oozes off of your aura. It oozes off of your spirit. So your inside reflects the outside, and that's why you're so attractive. You meet so many people, so many cultures, and that's why you're so educated. And you have so much to teach us. Thus, I open up to the divine and the light of the universe. Ask, and you shall receive. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.